Hello children, welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School. Standard 4th History, Chapter 5 Shivaji's Education Part 1. In this Part 1, we are going to learn about beginning of Shivaji's education and rejuvenation of Pune. Chapter 5 Shivaji's Education. Beginning of Shivaji's education. Shahaji Raje himself was a scholar of Sanskrit. In the Bangalore court, he had under his patronage artists and scholars of various languages. He appointed intelligent teachers for Shivaji. Shivaji's education began when he became 7 years old. Soon, Shivaji became skilled in the art of reading and writing. He began to read the stories from Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad on his own. To teach him warfare, Shahaji Raje had appointed some teachers. They began to teach Shivaji to ride a horse, to wrestle, to use swords and dandapatta. You can see in the picture, okay, horse riding, wrestling, sword fighting and dandapatta. Everything is shown in the picture. Thus, at the age of 12, Shivaji became acquainted with different branches of learning and arts. Soon, Adil Shah sent Shahaji Raje on an expedition to conquer the states of the Nayakas, local chiefs in Karnataka. Before setting out upon the expedition, Shahaji Raje sent Shivaji and Jijabai to Pune. With him, he sent elephants, horses, an infantry, a treasury, a flag, as also trusted ministers, brave generals, and renowned teachers. Rejuvenation of Pune. Jijabai and Shivaji returned to Pune. Shivaji remembered his childhood days which he had spent on Shivneri. He could see the lofty peaks of the Sahyadri again, and he became very happy. Pune at that time was not such a big city. It was totally devastated by Shahaji Raje's enemies. Shahaji Raje's enemies had destroyed Pune very badly. Properties were damaged, houses were demolished, temples had collapsed. The frightened people had fled from their villages. Fields had become barren, thick forests had grown. Wolves roamed in the countryside. Pune thus was totally in shambles and ruins. When the people living around came to know that Jijabai has returned to Pune with Shivaji, they took heart. Jijabai called all of them and reassured them that they would be safe in Pune. People started settling in Pune, cultivating their lands. Jijabai had the dilapidated temples repaired. Dilapidated means the temples which had broken or were not in a good condition, they were repaired. In the temples, worship began morning and evening. The town was again throbbing with people. Thus, Pune was totally transformed. Thank you, children. In the next part, we shall study about the achievements of Dadaji Kondev, Shivaji's education, what Veer Mata Jijabai taught Shivaji, and about Shivaji's marriage. Thank you. Thank you, children.